Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have a screen recording file ready. Start by locating it and checking its format. MP4 or MOV are ideal. Open your chosen tool, VLC for quick conversion, Audacity for editing, or FFmpeg for scripting. Once ready, set audio parameters. Pick 44. 1K HZ for music or 48K HZ for video sync, and choose mono versus stereo depending on content. Begin by extracting audio or loading the file so you can trim unwanted sections. Now you extract and refine the audio. If you're using Audacity, import the video, select and delete silent parts, apply noise reduction and normalize levels. If using FFmpeg, run an audio extraction command and then open the result in an editor. Once edits are done, select Mp3 export. Pick 128 kbps for speech or 192/320 kbps for music, or use variable bitrate for balanced quality. Make sure metadata like title and artist are set before export the final audio as Mp3, name it clearly, and save to your chosen folder. After export, play the file in a media player to check sync, audio quality, and overall loudness. Confirm there are no clipping or artifacts. If something's off, reopen the project, adjust bitrate or normalization, and re-export. A key troubleshooting tip: if background noise persists, apply a noise gate or a more aggressive noise reduction pass before exporting again to preserve clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.